Hey, it's Primal Cam, and I'm going to show you how to create a simple auto clicker for your game. This can be applied to Tycoons, obbies, or simulators. It doesn't just have to be simulators. Just because you're auto clicking doesn't mean you can't AFK some other aspect of your game. This is very useful automating rewards for your players, for the people that are casual players. So this increases retention rate, and also for premium players, it makes it easier for them to stay in your game while doing other tasks. So this increases your retention and also your Robux. So it's a simple auto clicker. When we click on auto click, it increments our cache by 1 every second. Now we're not using time, we're not using OS time, we're not using run service. We are just simply using a simple while loop with a wait. So I'm going to show you exactly how we achieve this. If we click auto click again, it stops. So it's very responsive, and it just picks right back up. And all of this is achieved with one server script. And I'm going to show you how I went ahead and created it. And we're just going to walk through it step by step so that way you can follow along. So if we go over here to server script service, we have an auto click handler server script right here. This is the only script right here you really need to focus on in terms of creating the system. And it's achieved with just one function, essentially one server listener function. I'm just going to show you exactly how this works. So replicated storage, we're getting access to our services for replicated storage. And then we have toggle events. So we need to access a remote event that we create in replicated storage called toggle auto click. This allows us to listen from the client side. Whenever the client says, hey, I want to turn auto click on, we will listen for that on the server side and say, okay, and then the server will turn on auto click to increment the rewards for that player. If we click that event again, you're going to see a conditional check that will disable it as well. But it's going to default to true in terms of the first click. So we're going to create an auto clicking players table to keep track of all the players in our game that are auto clicking, so that way we can increment the rewards seamlessly. And then we're going to grab that toggle event, and we're going to listen for that client side event from the client saying that, hey, I want to turn auto clicker on with this on server event right here. So we're listening for that client to click that button to turn on the auto clicker. And then we're going to connect that to a function, and then we're going to pass in the player that actually triggered that event, so we know exactly who to apply the rewards to. And if auto clicking players is true, or if this is met, then we are going to go ahead and disable auto clicking. So this essentially right here, this handles the disablement of auto clicking whenever the player clicks on the auto click button again. So this will stop the count. This will enable the count. We're going to enable auto clicking to true, if not already true. And then we're going to start the auto clicking loop right here with task.spawn function. And we're going to create a simple while loop right here. Okay. We're going to access auto clicking players, all the players that want auto clicking enabled. And we're going to access that player's leader stats. And if the leader stats exist for that player, then we're going to access the stat called cash, or any other value or currency that you may be using, such as gems, coins, Robux, whatever you may be tracking. You can apply that here in terms of what you want to increment for auto clicking. Now, if that cache stat actually exists, then we're just going to simply increment that value by 1. And then at the end of this if condition, we are simply waiting with a task.wait for 1 second. Okay, that's how you handle it without using OS time. This is how you handle it without using run service or making this too complicated. All this is a simple while loop. And these are so effective for automating a lot of tasks in your games. And I'll be showing you that in a lot of other videos as well. But this handles the entire starting of the auto clicking loop right here. So when the player clicks again on the auto clicking button while it's incrementing, we will disable auto clicking for that player right there. And then down here, upon the player leaving, we want to make sure we set that value to nil. So that way, just in case, whenever the player joins again, it's not automatically auto clicking or gaining rewards while they're not online within your game. So as you can see, all this was achieved with a very simple server script right here. And all this is available down in the description that you can access. And I have a simple leader stats right here if you want to see that. This is something that this is basic, but this is something that you can set up for yourself for whatever values that you may want to track. And then down here in starter GUI, this is how we created the auto click button. All I did was create a screen GUI inserted a text button, applied a UI corner, UI stroke, and then we have a simple local script that fires that server-side event over to that server script called AutoClick Handler. So when the player clicks that button, we are firing that server event called Toggle AutoClick to AutoClick Handler. That will allow us to listen for when the player wants to turn on or off the AutoClick. And we achieve all that with a simple while loop. So I hope you enjoyed it. This was a very simple script and very simple system that you can implement in any of your games for AFK players or people who are casual players. Always look for ways where you can make it easier for the player to have a great time in your game without grinding and wearing out their mouse or their keyboard. So this helps out a lot. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know exactly what other kind of videos you guys would love to see. Talk to you soon.